Well, let's talk about this latest development that has happened in the new government of the BJP in West Bengal. The Chief Electoral Officer Manoj Agarwal has now been elevated and appointed to be as the state's Chief Secretary. And this official order that was issued on Monday in this regard, and this is now coming across as a political flashpoint as well, because the IAS officer who oversaw the Bengal elections, the SIR appointed Chief Secretary as well, and now what we are now looking at when it comes to the elections that have now taken place, this over long administrative career of Manoj Agarwal, he has handled several key departments in the state of West Bengal government. So this is what the BJP West Bengal has now come out to say as far as his elevation is concerned, saying that unlike Mamata Banerjee, who had subverted the bureaucracy by blatantly flouting the rules governing by the IAS by superseding dozens of officers, the BJP government of West Bengal has appointed the senior most IAS officer working in the state, Shri Manoj Agarwal, as the Chief Secretary of West Bengal, in keeping with its promise to restore the dignity of the laws of the land. So this is coming in from the BJP side, which has now been saying that this is a norm which needs to be followed. However, when we speak of the opposition, which is both TMC and Congress in the case now, they have been now calling out as far as this elevation or appointment of the Chief Secretary is concerned, calling it to be beyond shame, coming in from the TMC side. Let's in the meantime take a look how the Congress party has been reacting. Congress's Jairam Ramesh has hit out and now talk about a brazen collusion there and connivance. Let's put out what Jairam Ramesh of the Congress has to say, because this is now coming across what the Congress is of the opinion on the appointment of Manoj Agarwal, saying that the BJP-led West Bengal government has appointed the erstwhile Chief Election Officer, Mr. Manoj Agarwal, responsible for overseeing the 2026 West Bengal Assembly elections, as the new Chief Secretary to the government of West Bengal. Similarly, Mr. Subrata Gupta, Special Role Observer to oversee the SIR deletions and electoral rolls, has been appointed as the Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister of West Bengal. And these appointments, according to the Congress party, is reflecting a brazen collusion and connivance between the ECI and the BJP, and there is no longer even an attempt to keep the collusion discreet or concealed. And the appointments are a testimony that the ECI was not impartial and acted exclusively to benefit the BJP. The entire state went to election with 27 lakh people being debarred from voting, and this was tactfully executed by the ECI to create an electoral advantage for the BJP. जगन्नाथ सरकार जी भी हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं फोन लाइन पे. जगन्नाथ सरकार जी, सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं अपॉइंटमेंट को लेकर मनोज अग्रवाल एज चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. दोनों कांग्रेस और टीएमसी की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि ये साफ कर देता है, ये साबित कर देता है कि ईसीआई और बीजेपी मिले हुए थे.
देखिए, ऐसा गलत बयानबाजी करना ठीक नहीं है. क्यों? जो आईएएस अफसर है, कोई पोस्ट में है, किसी जगह पर तो रखना चाहिए. उनका तो छुटकारा मिलना नहीं चाहिए. तो इतने अच्छा ढंग से चुनाव संभाला, कोई किसी को कोई उंगली उठाने की हिम्मत नहीं है. यहाँ छप्पा हुआ, बमबाजी नहीं हुआ, तो प्रशासन सही ढंग से चलाया, तो उनका तो पोस्ट मिलना चाहिए. इसके साथ पॉलिटिक्स का क्या मामला है? तो गवर्नमेंट का हिस्सा तो रहना चाहिए. सही ढंग से गवर्नमेंट चलाना, पक्षपात दुष्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इस ढंग से गवर्नमेंट में कोई हिस्सेदारी तो आईएएस ऑफिसर रहेगा ही, तो उनका हक है. तो मिलने के बाद कांग्रेस का टिप्पणी करना ठीक नहीं है. तो किसी को तो मिलना चाहिए. वो जिस टाइम था पहले मनोज अग्रवाल, तो टीएमसी गवर्नमेंट में इतने पोस्ट दिए, सारी पोस्ट उसी बंदा को तो दे रहा है भाजपा. तो इसमें गलत क्या है?
वो उनका सीधे तौर पे आरोप लगाना ये है कि जहां तक उनका जो रोल रहा है एज समवन हु आल्सो सॉ द SIR प्रोग्रेस, वी आर लुकिंग एट इवन व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑल द डिलीशंस दैट TMC and the Congress has been claiming that has happened on part of the election commission, and to elevate that very same person to be the chief secretary is something which is now being questioned on their part. जगन्नाथ सरकार जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.